Woo! Hello there, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're well because I'm doing fantastic. Today I'm in Accra and I'm taking you on a proper city tour. This is going to be the beginning of many videos dedicated to Accra, what to do in Accra, places to check out, the Greater Accra region and its people, culture, and so many more things you didn't know about our capital city. Our first stop is the Adjei Interchange, or what a lot of people know as Sankara. Now, some of the beautiful street paintings you see in Accra can be found on the walls of Adjei Interchange. And so, since you've always wanted to take a photo here, let's start from here.
Okay. Yep, when you're ready.
Okay, obviously got what I was looking for. Now heading to the Independence Square or Black Star Square. Come with me. Alright, so here we are at the Black Star Square. One of the easiest things to find here are horse riders with their horses. And so of course I'm going to make it a point to ride a horse. Just before I could get on the horse, it decided to pee. I find this so fascinating because I've never seen a horse peeing before. I did apologize to it after for showing its private part. I'm sorry, babe. Okay, so something you should know, the price for horse riding around here varies. So you can pay something like 10 cedis to 30 cedis. Of course, depending on the kind of horse rider you find, you can pay less or more. But I would say bargain before you get on the horse because sometimes it can get a little tricky. Oh, I'm done with horse riding. Now let's go check out the Black Star Gate. obviously this is what the top looks like, right? From here I can see the what do you call it? Guys, I'm panting, I'm so tired. From here you can see the stadium, of course. You can see the Independence Square over there. Also you can see the ministries. You can also see Bank of Ghana down up there over somewhere. And yeah, okay guys, so right now I have climbed up. What do you call this? Black Star Square. Black Star Gate, that's what you call it. Yeah. Okay guys, so did you know you can actually climb and come up and have this beautiful view? So I'm here with, what's your name?
Ernest.
With Ernest, and he's gonna give us a little background history about this place. So what is there to know about this place?
Yeah, where we are standing is called Black Star Gate. Okay. And this monument is second in the world.
Okay.
The first one is in the British.
Just like this?
Yeah, just like this. And then this monument was built by Kwame Nkrumah to honor Queen Elizabeth II during our first Republic, 1st July 1961.
Okay.
So this was built in 1957 during the Independence Day. So this birthday is now 64 years now, and it was commissioned by Kwame Nkrumah to honor Queen Elizabeth II during our first Republic, 1st July 1961. So this birthday is now 64 years now. So where we are standing is called Black Star Gate, and my immediate left is Black Star Square, where normally when we are celebrating our Independence Day, we do gather with a lot of states, including our own presidents and the government officials, chiefs and the other dignitaries, the parliamentarians, all of people in the world. And the Black Star in our flag stands for the blacks in the world. It's not for African alone, all the blacks in the world. Wow. And when you look straight, the white building over there is a Osu Castle. At first was the seat of the president. Now they have moved to Jubilee House.
Right. Like, is it open?
Yes,
or
open.
COVID?
It's
still open. Okay. Thank you so much, Ernest. Thank you.
So you can add yours to it.
Okay. 64 years old. That's all I took. Guys, that's gonna be all for today on What's Up Accra. It's been such a pleasure coming your way. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn your notification bell on. And anytime you're in Accra with very limited time, these are some of the things you can do in the capital city. See ya.